Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to move a file to Threejs in Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I will show you guys the output and then we'll have a look at the code. So I have just run my application. Open anyway. So here you can see I have this button called move to Threejs. Now when I click on it, I am basically opening a picker. What I'll do is that I'll quickly move this file to my downloads. Okay, so I'll quickly show you the output. So here you can see that if I click on move to Threejs, it basically opens a picker and it tries to find a video file for me. Now I'm trying to delete a video file, but for your case it can be anything. That's why all you need is a URL. So I don't have a file URL with me currently right now, right? A local file URL. That's why I'm opened a video picker, and now if I click on this video picker, I'll click on open. It has automatically moved to Threejs. So if I open my Threejs, here you can see the file was moved. So that's what we will be doing. So I have created my Flutter project, and here I have refactored the home page widget. It is a stateful widget, and here I have created a method channel called Threejs platform, and on click of this particular button which we are just calling this do auth method. Like this is badly named. You can maybe named it as move to Threejs, something like that. And here we are invoking a method identifier called Threejs, which we have to define it on native side. And once that is done, whatever value we get, we just print it to the console whether it was success or not. So if you see over here you can see the file was moved to Threejs. That's log we get. Next you will have to open the I got the log inside Xcode because I ran the app through Xcode, but if you want you can run it through terminal as well using the flutter run command. Now you will have to open the XE workspace of macOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. And the first thing which you have to do is go to your project, go to targets, and here inside sign in and capabilities, for user selected file you have to give this read write permission. Now this again is not related to Threejs. So suppose if you have a local file which your app has created and it is stored in your app sandbox, you don't need this read write permission, you by default have it. But in my case I am opening the picker, then selecting a file, and then the user selected file is moved to Threejs. That's why I require this read write over here as well as over here. Next, inside main Flutter window I have just created our Threejs platform. Okay, and once this channel is called, I'm looking for this particular method Threejs. Here I'm just opening a panel, and here I'm just allowing the user to select videos. Again, this is not really related to Threejs. I just want to get the file URL, video file URL. Allow multiple selection is false. So here you can see I will get the URL once the user selects a file. Once that is done, now here is the important part of moving file to a Threejs. First we get hold of our file manager, then the resulting item URL. Then I just do file manager, the Threejs item, pass our URL, and here would be our resulting item URL. So it basically gives us the result. So if it is equal, then file has been moved to Threejs. If not, file was not moved to Threejs. In case of any error, I am sending the error back to Flutter side as well. And this is like boilerplate code for default. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can move file to Threejs in Flutter macOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.